Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, then tie up a low ponytail at the bottom. Add another rubber band at the base and then roll the hair inwards after tucking the excess hair as such. Now take a decorative clip and then pin up the hair after folding it as such. Adjust it after you're done. Take two sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back using a rubber band. Roll the hair in on itself and then at the base tie a low ponytail. Add a rubber band in the middle section, make a gap in the middle, fill the hair into it and then roll it upwards as such. Use a multiple prong pin in order to adjust the rest of the hair. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, twist the hair, then use a multiple prong pin and fasten it from the side. Now take a comb the rest of the hair, add a rubber band to the top as such. Once you have done this, fold the hair in and then push it in downwards. Take a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will take this hair twine, gather all of the hair together, pull it through and then twist the hair into it as such. Now, once you're done twisting the hair, lift it upwards and then adjust the hair as you please. It will be decorative in nature as well, and this is what it should look like. Tie the hair up into a ponytail, then add a hair twine into it. Twist the ponytail around the hair twine, wrap it up and then roll the hair up and then tie it in place once you are done with this. Once you are done making the hair into a bun, add the decorative piece wherever you please for it to be. We have added it to the side. Next, start off by tying a low ponytail and use a rubber band to do so. Once you are done with this, make a bun out of the hair, make a division in the middle, roll the hair upwards and then adjust the hair around it as such. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide the ponytail into two sections, wrap one section over the other as such. Now, once you are done with this, twist the hair into a bun and after you are done wrapping it up into a bun, use the retractable clip around it. Fasten it in place as such. Next, gather the hair together and then using your finger, twist the hair around it. Now, use your decorative clip around it in order to fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.